Hello. Today, let's talk about how to use your SwitchBot using the app and, of course, the complete station here. This is the vacuum station and, of course, the water supply station too. So, first step is we are going to look what's going on with our app. Here we are now. After the mapping process is done, we can choose between different kinds of options. First step is we are going to the water supply station because the other station you have already seen 2 minutes before. Here you can see my map. This was or is the energy supply station where we are from. And here now with the blue dot, this is the water supply station. Okay, let's have a look here. This is the water supply station. And here the robot vacuum cleaner can take water for mopping. So, okay, how we can perform and clean that or start and clean up. It's really easy, full house and go to play. Then it will make, the vacuum will make an clean out of the entire map system. You can choose between section, quiet, standard, strong or maximum, and you can make to vacuum and mopping. In this case, you can add a wet mop processor or a moisture processing unit. So, okay, we go to strong and mopping water level here. Good job. And now you see here, vac and mop is enabled. Then we can make a full house clean out, of course, or a room clean out. And after this room clean out, we can choose between different rooms in our map, or we choose areas. We can here now take and added an area for this. And after this process, it's possible to send the robot there to make a clean out. Okay, let's perform a room clean out. And this will be room B, for example. Vacuum and mopping. Okay. And if we start that now, that means we choose B, room B, vacuum and mopping, for example only, and we start this. Then it will automatically start the vacuum, of course. Then it will be get water because we choose mopping. If it only choose vacuum, it does not need any water supply for this, of course. And then the vacuum is on the way to our station here. This is the water supply station to get water to done or continue the job. He is going to check this area B, for example. And here we are after refilling the tank with fresh water and cleaning moisture. It is on the way to clean the area which we said before. So now it's cleaning here, and we have a look how we can perform another option here anymore, because we have an app, and this app can more. Of course, we can see what's going on with our nice robot vacuum cleaner system. It cleans now the area and it makes the job automatically. After the cleaning process is done, it will go back to the station to reload and to drain out the dirty water. But of course, now let's have a look here. While it is moving, you can see on the screen, you can see where your robot is on the way. You can see here, over there it is. You see it there in the backside, and you can make more. You can edit your map. For example, here on an area with such an fluffy carpet, for example, or these figures here, decoration thing and so on. In this case, it is not so good to let your robot vacuum over here. In this case, you should, but only in a really fluffy way of carpet and fidgets which are in the way as obstacles. is it is possible to go to the map in your area. It means you can go to map and you can then make an invisible feeling, for example, to let the robot not passing this point through. You can make this by using the map option. We can check for no-go zones, and no-go zones will help us to locate where this robot should not have an job over there, for example. We can choose here, we can add this in the dimensions and so on. Or we make a virtual wand or wall. Here we can go, drag and drop, easy peasy. And this is a good choice to make walls where our device should not be driven through. Then, of course, there's more. Edit rooms. We can edit the rooms itself. We can make a door sill, a rotate, and so on. We can rename our maps. And, of course, we can see on the map where our device is so far in the jobs and so on. And we can make with the app more. That means we go to the device itself. The area, rooms, and full house and map is okay. And we can go here to settings. In settings, we can make shadows, for example. We are going to 8:10 a.m. full house every day clean out. Or we can choose maps, and we can save a lot of maps for bigger houses and so on. Then we have a carpet cleaning mode. Our robot will increase the suction power when entering the carpet areas. Really cool feature is that the robot will not detect mineral imprint on the brush when cleaning carpets and so on. We can adapt to carpets. We can avoid carpets. We like that. Then we have audio settings. We can switch to a bigger volume, a down volume in different languages. Our robot can speak to us. Wi-Fi settings, logs, maintenance. You can see the dust bag, the dust filter, and so on. We will have a maintenance in the future. More features, find the robot, cloud services, NFC, and so on. So this is a really easy operations thing. And there it is. It's on the way. And if it finishes the job, it will automatically go back to the station. This is smart. This is really smart. And the cool thing behind this is, if it is in dark areas, it will automatically switch on the flashlight. Really cool. You see, this little smart device is making a really good clean out of the entire room which you have at home or in the office, for example. And it is navigating so smart, it's incredible. It's really, really incredible. That's really awesome. So after clean out is finished, it will go back to the water supply, and now it began to wash. That means it is now a clean out for the robot.
Exchanging water.
Now you can hear the water will be drained to our drain. Really cool. Ooh, yeah. And after it removes the water, it will make a clean job anymore. That means the mop will be clean as well. Full automatic. That's smart. Really smart. And after the job is done, it will be go back to the base and will go for reloading. This is everything is automated. Really smart. And then it comes back to the base, and now hot water, and not hot water, hot air will dry
Charging.
everything. And of course charging.
Starting to empty dust.
And of course the dust compartment will be and the dust compartment will completely evacuate.
Drying roller mop.
Now the roller mop will be dry. Full automatic. Really cool feature. So, and on the screen you can see the jobs is done. And of course you can continue with other jobs. And this is the smartest board I ever seen before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.